Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Buds VS103 truly wireless earphones. This is a pair of in-ear earphones by Noise. There is a photo, basically an image of what the earphones are supposed to look like over here. There you can see. I'll give you a closer look. Let's quickly take a look at what other information we have over here. These earbuds sports full touch control, 18 hours of playtime, IPX waterproof rating, and there is also the HyperSync technology which allows these buds to connect with a smartphone really fast. Now let's take a look inside and see what the buds actually look like. Let me make a cut over here. Okay, we have some manuals where the documents right off the bat, not manuals. So this is the VS103 charging case. Okay, so let's see what's inside this smaller box first. So this is a packet that has some extra silicone tips for the earbud. I'm assuming these are the small and the medium variety. Sorry, the small and the large variety. The medium one should be attached to the buds themselves. There is a charging cable over here as well. This is a USB-C type charging cable there. There you can see it, a USB-C type charging cable. There are a couple of documents over here. These are some stickers from Noise. This is a thank you note with the picture of Rishabh Pant on it. This is a quick installation guide for the Noise Buds VS103, a quick start guide. And finally, we have the user manual for the Buds VS103, which you should read at least once. So that's out of the way. Now let's take a look at the earbuds themselves. So this is the Noise charging case, the VS103 charging case. It has a matte black finish, has a compact and very sleek look. This is also pretty lightweight, by the way. You will notice the Noise logo over here at the front and over here at the back as well. This is the LED charging indicator, and over here you have USB-C type port. Now let's open this up and remove these buds. So I'll remove these strips as well and show you the magnetic sensors. This is what the buds look like. They have an angular nozzle, like so. There you can see they have an angular nozzle, almost 45 degrees angular nozzle. And this is your in-ear design. It has a matte black finish on this end and also has full touch control. So these are the magnetic sensors. So when you put them in the case, they will click like so, and when you close them, you will notice this green LED indicator. If it's green, it means it's charged and or charging. Not just that, every time you lift open the flap, you're powering on these earbuds and it's entering pairing mode. So this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Noise Buds VS103 truly wireless earphones. Thank you for watching.